In this video, I'm going to show you how to make funnel in ActiveCampaign. Let's get started. Before we start, you have to decide what type of funnel we will be doing it for, and I would be doing it for sales, and it will be called as a sales funnel. In the sales funnel, there are stages. The stages are usually getting the lead, contacting the lead, sending a proposal, and either winning or losing the lead. So let's get started. After successfully logging in, you want to go to the left-hand side and then hover your mouse into Deals. Click on this one. And on Deals, this will pop up. If you already have a pipeline created, you want to go to the upper bar and click on this drop-down and add a pipeline. Let's name this Sales Funnel. As you can see here, there are about 3 example boxes. Now, these are called stages. You could actually remove them if you want. Let's say we want to add a stage that will be on the top right-hand side. Let's say the first stage is getting lead. We could change this in here. Let's say the next one is to contact. We could actually rename this as contacted lead. Then we could add another stage for sending proposal. And then we could add another stage for closed as won. Or we could rename the stage as closed as lost. Now, we already have our stages. Let's say we add a deal. And the deal title will be a sample deal. Now, you want to go to the exact pipeline where you want to put it, and you want to make sure where the stage will be. Let's say this is a sample lead, so I am only just getting the lead with 0 deal value. Then add deal. What you could also do is you want to click on any of these stages to add a deal. Let's say we have closed and won. Now when you go to the left-hand side, you will see this thing called funnel on reports. And then it will list down the pipeline and exactly what is the status of each pipeline. Let's say on the sales funnel, it actually creates this type of chart for you. And that's about it. That's how to make funnel in ActiveCampaign. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.